Weje is a multifunctional service designed to collect, store, and structure information. Its functions are great for online learning. With Weje, teachers can gather students on one online whiteboard for a lesson or presentation. Weje tools allow you to collect materials for lessons across the web easily. Got a history or geography lesson? Simply save images from open sources with the Weje Web Clipper for Google Chrome and upload them to the board with a prepared presentation. Even non-registered users can be invited to the boards. Just make the board public and send the link to your students. Invited users can act simply as observers or interact with the elements on the board, depending on the lesson model you choose. To teach lessons in Weje more effectively, use any of the popular video communication services. Then invite your students to the board for direct interaction. You don't even have to enable the screen sharing feature. With Weje, your online learning will become more convenient.